second graders. I hope your week was great. I'm outside today for our video because I'm going to give you a nature journal prompt. So we kind of did something like this in the beginning of the year. We went out to the nature center and we collected something and we glued it down and wrote a little bit about it. We described it with our 5 senses. We're going to do something similar. So I'm in my backyard listening to the wonderful bird songs, feeling the sunshine. It's nice out today. And so I'm going to look for something that I might want to write a poem about. Now we've been doing poem, and so today it's a free verse poem. That means absolutely no rules. You don't have to follow the rules like the sin cane. You don't have to write it in a certain shape like our concrete. You can just write about something in nature. So couple choices. You can take a picture of something outside in nature, or you can find something and tape it into your journal. Just know that it has to be kind of flat. So I'm thinking I'm going to look around here. I'm going to flip the camera around so you guys can see what I'm seeing. So here, let me see. I love my pine tree. So I think I'm going to take a picture of my pine tree and write a little poem about that. So here is the poem I came up with, The Big Pine. Tall and towering, what have you seen through your years? I feel peaceful when I read in your shade. So I can't wait to see these. Remember, no rules on this. It's called a freestyle poem. Have a good day.